Hello everyone, so today we are making chocolate lava cake and you only have 5 ingredients in it: butter, chocolate, egg, flour, and sugar. The recipe will be down below. So first heat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, then butter the mold and flour it to prevent it stick. So just make sure you tap out the extra flour so it will not be too much on it. So now we need to melt the chocolate and the butter together first. You can just easily put it under a water bath, or you can just put it in a microwave to melt it. So now we just let it melt and we combine the egg and the sugar together. And basically this is a super easy recipe. First you just need to melt the chocolate and the butter together. Then you just mix the rest of the thing together. When the butter and chocolate is fully melted, just combine it with the egg and the sugar. Just be careful your chocolate and butter is not too hot so they don't cook the egg. And after that, you just mix with the flour. That's it. So this one egg recipe can only make two chocolate lava cake, and if you want to make more, just double it up. It takes me about 15 minutes to cook it, but I highly recommend you to do a test to see if you need to cook longer or you can take it out earlier if you have a smaller mold. So here's your chocolate lava cake. If you want to make it look nice, just put some icing sugar on it and you can serve it with ice cream, shanty, or some fresh fruit. And hope you enjoy making this recipe.